Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin a new lesson. As you know, children, our body is made up of cells. The cells group together to form tissues. Tissues give rise to organs. Several organs group together to perform a vital function of the body, hence makes organ systems of the body. In our body, nearly 10 major organ systems are found, and today's class we are going to learn one of it called the respiratory system. As the word the respiratory system suggests, that it is required for the process of respiration. So, what is respiration? Respiration is the chemical process of releasing energy by breaking down glucose for carrying out life processes. The respiration is a universal process which takes place in both plants as well as in animals. It takes place in the cells or tissues of the body, hence called cellular respiration or tissue respiration. Respiration takes place in two phases, glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Let's see what is glycolysis. Glycolysis means breakdown of glucose, which takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. At the end of glycolysis, pyruvic acid is formed and two molecules of ATP is also released. The pyruvic acid enters into the second phase called the Krebs cycle. This phase takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. During this phase, the pyruvic acid, in the presence of oxygen, undergoes a series of chemical changes. Each step of chemical changes takes place due to a particular enzyme. In each step, energy is liberated, some in the form of heat, and a large of it is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP. So, at the end of Krebs cycle, 36 molecules of ATP is liberated. So, we see that by the end of the respiration, 38 molecules of ATP is generated along with carbon dioxide and water. 2 molecules from glycolysis and 36 molecules from Krebs cycle. So, 1 molecule of glucose breaks down in the presence of oxygen to give out carbon dioxide, water and 38 molecules of ATP. So, why this energy is required? We need energy to do the various functions of our body like synthesis of proteins from amino acids, production of enzymes, contraction of muscles for movement, conduction of electrical impulses in a nerve cell, production of new cells by cell division, and in keeping the body warm. So, children, today's class you have learnt about the phases of respiration. In tomorrow's class, we will proceed further. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a good day, children.